My prince, greetings, my prince.
How are you?
I'm fine, my prince. What are you doing here by this time? It's too early.
Ujungwa, I've been very sick. Very, very sick. Your refusal to marry me is making me sick and it's breaking my heart. Ujungwa, I love you. I love you so much. Please, marry me.
I have told you, eh? Please, I can't marry you.
Ujungwa.
No, please, I'm going to the market to sell my apple.
I know.
And you know I don't play with this business.
I know. You say something positive to me and I'll let you go do your business. Okay?
I don't have any positive thing to say to you.
Hey, come on.
I've told you before and I'm going to say it again.
If you don't say something positive to me, I'm going to follow you to the market and sell this apple with you.
Ha! My prince, I've told you, I cannot marry you. I cannot marry you. My prince, I cannot marry you.
Time does not matter.
Leave me. I'm going with you.
Don't go with you because I'm
trying to
I am going with you.
If it is your throne, yeah, you're gonna be king and queen. Nothing gonna stop you. Your happiness must be complete. Oh.
Mom, I'm good. Just that my head aches.
Head? Oh. When? When did it start? Because you've not had such experience before.
It's okay. I'll be fine. I'll be fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't you go undress? I will tell Akane to get you fruit juice with the roughages. It will help ease you off.
It's okay. I'll be in my room.
It's all right.
Do not be discouraged. Heaven will fight for you. Man will favor you. If it is your throne, yeah, you will sit on it. Time does not matter.
My prince, the queen asked me to give you these herbs.
If it is your throne,
I do not want to marry and leave.
My prince, please tell me, what do you want? I can go and get it for you.
gonna stop you. Your happiness must be complete. Oh.
I am sorry for what I did to you the other day. I'm so sorry for unleashing my anger on you.
It's okay, my prince. Please, you need to take this help so you can get back on your feet.
Please find a place in your heart to forgive me.
My prince, I have done that a long time ago.
It's gotta be this way now. How long before we learn our lesson? Society we're living in is a reflection of the family. So let's be guided. Be guided. You see, somebody died today, but a mistake of another, and another man is prisoner. But a mistake.
Very much better.
Your father said you found another lady you want to marry.
Yes, Mom. That's true.
So tell me, who is she?
In due time, I'll let you know. Yeah, I'll let you know. Very soon.
Every life is important now. Every life is important to the society. Oh, society.
Who is that?
Are we gonna be the victim?
Who is that?
Before we learn a lesson.
Who is looking like that?
Society we live in is a reflection of the family. So let's do
Come on, open that gate and check whoever that is there.
right now.
Open
And you're
it.
standing there. Sorry for yourself.
It's gonna be this way now. If I were to
My dear.
What's chasing you?
Good afternoon, Your Majesty. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, my prince. My prince, please. The truth is, my prince.
Who's after you?
My prince, I came to tell you to go and warn that girl called Isabella. If she tries what she did to me today, if she tries it again next time, I'm going to kill her. I'm going to beat her black and blue. Seriously, that is what I came to tell you. No problem.
Obianujunwa, I've never seen you like this before. But never mind. Which Isabella are you talking about? The one in the police custody with her father?
Yes, it's the same Isabella. She's the one, the person that the priest wants to get married to. The priest's wife to be.
What happened?
Your Majesty, as I was on my way to the market, I was going to the market to go and sell my akpu. When Isabella,
a good child is a blessing
buy your
to
akpu.
himself and family. But a
Akpu.
bad child is a trouble
Hot akpu, hot
to
akpu.
entire
You get what
community. Don't be a bad child, don't be a burden. It never pays. Learn a lesson.
Sorry, a second.
Give me 4 rand.
4 rand.
Yes.
Okay, now for 200.
No problem.
Before we learn our lessons, society we're living in is a reflection of the family.
Your eye is big. Your eye for big one.
Let's be guided.
Some one at the time.
It's gotta be this way now. How long before we learn our lesson? Society we're living in is a reflection of the family.
Alright, are you same market there?
Oh, no problem. Onyaku neba.
You see, somebody died today, but a mistake of another, and another man is prisoner, but a misdeed of another. You think it's about the time we wake up now and look into the family properly. A child can never give mother what she's got, so parents, do your job.
What is the meaning of this?
You know what? You are so lucky. You should have stood and watched me run you over with this bullshit.
What did I do to you?
Husband snatcher.
You are a gold digger.
Dirty pig! Unless I forget, you stink.
A gold digger. Is that why you wanted to hit me? You must be very stupid. You are a very useless girl. See, you want to come and pour all your bitterness on me. You are a liar. I am not the one who asked them to send you out of the palace. It was because of your nonchalant attitude, your useless manners. Spoiled child of a rich man. Your father did not even train you. You went to the palace to disgrace yourself. You cannot cook, you cannot sweep, you cannot do nothing. You go about insulting people. And I tell you will pay for this man. No, go and let me insult you now. Go and let me insult you. I will idiot. Nonsense girl. What is... I will idiot. You're finished, my mom. Don't dash you like Dollar. I will stop. Idiot! 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 Idiot, I really want you! Look at this man, I don't want you! She called me a husband snatcher and threatened to kill me.
She said that to you?
Yes, Your Majesty. My prince, I beg you with whatever you hold dear to go and warn that girl called Isabella, oh, because the next time she will insult me or try to hit me on the road again, all her teeth will pull off.
Hey! Agumanye! I know that you're a strong woman. I've seen it. Come give me a hug. Come hug me. Hey! You see, for this, you will be my friend till eternity. Give me 5. High 5! Tawai!
Your Majesty, I will be on my way. No?
Oh, the man.
My prince, please warn her for you to go.
Yes.
It's the hand I'm using to pan that man. See, my prince, they warn her in case of incasity. Because next time, if this girl tries me, what I'm going to do to her, she will not like it. Because she goes by the same again. This thing again, another way, or do boom. I'm going to come close for me again. What I will do to her, she will not.
Another lioness of Nza kingdom. I know she's a strong woman. That's good. I knew it. I know that Chief Williams would definitely bribe himself out of custody. But how did he do it? He must have paid a huge sum. Money talks and bullshit work. And Isabella, his daughter, takes after him. Bets of his feather. He must have paid a huge sum to do it. Money talks and bullshit work. And Isabella, his daughter, takes after him. Birds of a feather, they say. Flocks together. Imagine trying to run an innocent girl over with her car. I know they are out for revenge. I foresee danger. Yes, I foresee danger. I will tell your father to do something about this on time, because if I had to step in again, the gods knows what I would do to them.
If it is your throne, sit on it. Time does not matter. The wheel of man is shaken free. If it is your throne, yeah, you're gonna be king and queen. Nothing gonna stop you. Your happiness must be complete. Oh, 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 boys, they keep what they say.
Who is running like this? You
I
should
don't
buy a
know.
man.
Check who's out again.
On my African burrito, welcome to motherland. Welcome to motherland.
Who allowed her into this compound? Attention, y'all in this palace! The battle line has been drawn. Ujunwa, or whatever her name is certainly going to pay for insulting me today.
Hey, listen up. If you dare ever touch her, you will see what I'll do to you.
Onyawa, Agunaya. Onyawa.
Hold up! Like, hold up! You're not aware of this shit?
On my African burrito,
She must pay!
Oh, shut your mouth. Shut your freaking mouth. Ain't you ashamed of yourself? A maiden like you washed you with mouth and you could not say a thing. Why the noise here? Why didn't you fight back? Because you know you can't do a thing. You just obey when girls are not at home.
Shit! You know what? Y'all are gonna pay!
Oh, shut your mouth.
Y'all are gonna pay for this conspiracy! I'ma blow your heads off! Trust me! I'm gonna blow your heads off!
You're gonna do nothing, baby. You're a loser.
Atomic bomb himself.
You're a
good
loser.
child is a blessing to himself and family, but a bad child is a trouble to entire community. Don't be a bad child, don't be a burden. It never pays. Learn the lessons. So how long is it gonna be this way now? How long before we learn our lessons? Society we're living in is a reflection of the family. So let's be guided. Let's be guided.
What is it? What happened to you?
That is not one dirty looking girl or whatever they call her, Ujunwa or whatever.
Who is Ujunwa?
That was Seller. One dirty looking thing that the queen wants the prince to marry. My prince. And because she tried to snatch my man away from me, how do you know me? You know me. I tried to run over her with my car. And guess what, Daddy? The dirty looking thing had the effrontery to insult my personality.
So you went fighting over Kenechukwu. Isabella.
Daddy?
So you went fighting over Kenechukwu when I've told you to leave the royal family alone, eh?
Daddy, you know me. You know what I can't take, Daddy? You are my father. You know what I cannot take? What I cannot take is letting some stupid, dirty-looking thing take my prince away from me. Oh no, Daddy, you can't let that happen. You know, right?
Isabella, do you know how much I paid to regain our freedom?
Oh, F it, Dad, F it.
I lost everything that I struggled for in life over this. I wanted you to marry Prince Kenechukwu, but Wenego Igbo was mad enough. Forget Kenechukwu and pray that a better man who will tolerate your excesses will come for you and marry you. I lost everything that I had to the law enforcement agency.
You know what? I'm trying to get you, Dad. I'm trying to get you. Are you trying to blame me? I can't believe you're trying to blame me for everything. How can you blame me? How can you be blaming me, Daddy? How?
I have only spoken the truth.
Daddy? Daddy? Dad? Daddy, you're walking away from me. Daddy, you know I'm gonna fight. You know I'm gonna fight, right? Daddy, you're gonna come back, Daddy.
My son, you promised to bring a maid to this planet. Till now, we have not seen anybody.
I wonder.
Time, they say, waits for no man. She refused marrying me. Does she know that you are the prince of his kingdom? I have tried all I could to woo her, but still, she's very adamant.
What?
Who is she? And what does she represent?
Who is this maiden that has captured your heart?
Oh. It's Ujunwa.
Ujunwa. My own Obiam Ujunwa.
Yes.
Oh my
Your own
God.
very much.
Oh my God. Really? Oh, this is good to hear. Son, you know what? Leave it. Just leave it to me. I will handle it. Yes, I will. Oh. Obi-Wan, Your Majesty, please. I am your fellow woman. Please. You have to help me to talk to your daughter. My son is losing it by the day. He wishes to make your daughter his bride. Please, help me. Your Majesty, I've heard you. I'll talk to my daughter when she comes back. Obi-Wan, please do. I have never seen love as strong as this. My queen, like I said, I'll talk to my daughter. But I understand my daughter's fear.
My daughter is not a troubleshooter at all. She always avoids trouble.
I understand where you're coming from, Obi-Wan. But I am assuring you that nothing will happen to your daughter because I will always be there for her.
Okay, I've heard. I will talk to her.
Please do.
Man will favor you if it is your throne. Yeah, you will sit on it. Time does not matter.
I am pleased to announce to you that my son, Prince Kenechukwu, has decided to take Ujunwa as his wife. Ujunwa, the daughter of late Ibezim.
The daughter of late. That's a good news. That's good news. That's good. Your Majesty, I'm so happy to hear this. That Kenechukwu, our prince, has finally made up his mind to go for Ujunwa. I'm so happy. That's good.
Yes. Do you know that he has been visiting her without our knowledge?
Why didn't you come here? He knew what he was doing there when he was
Igwe, if I may ask, what is your take on this?
Iche, you mean whether the Igwe is in support of Prince Kenechukwu's decision?
Of course. What else?
Why will the Igwe support? Is there anybody they give sugar to lick and the person decide to vomit it?
No, it's not possible.
Ujunwa is a good maiden and a perfect match for our prince. Iche Beneme has spoken well. The only person who puts sugar in his mouth and he throws it away is somebody that is diabetic.
That's the one.
You know that I even suggested for our prince to go for Ujunwa. He said I should mind my business.
Very correct.
As Oshibo Madam was a good person, I decided to mind my business. I'm happy that he is now seeing what I was seeing then. I'm so happy. It's a good news.
Children of nowadays, at times they want to do it their own way.
Exactly.
Anyway, Maigwe, we the elders in council, we are solidly in support of this one.
Very much.
Hey! So Ujunwa has finally won the contest. Hi, I'm so happy.
Akunne, how do you mean?
So you mean you mates have not heard what is going on in this palace?
No, we have not.
Okay.
Akunne, please tell us. You know you are the one very close to the Majesty. Tell us now. Akunne, please, my ears are itching. Just speak up.
Calm down, let me tell you people. Prince Kenechukwu has finally decided to get married to Ujunwa.
Are you serious?
Very serious.
Well, that's a good news. I'm so happy to hear that. I mean, I love that Ujunwa. She's very beautiful and she befits royalty.
Not like that Isabella that carries her shoulder high. And I heard that her father, Mr. Williams, spent all he had just for them to regain freedom.
Let me even tell you girls how it happened. The chief judge sentenced them to 10 years imprisonment each. What? Or they should pay a huge amount of money that runs in billions.
What?
Hey.
That was how the man paid everything and went bankrupt.
Akunne, so this is how it happened.
Sister, that is it though. My sister, I hear that story too.
Did I just hear billions of naira?
It serves them right. Naira. They say pride goes before a fall.
Do not be discouraged. Heaven will fight for you. Man will favor you. If it is your throne, yeah, you will sit on it. Time does not matter. The wheel of man is shaken free.
Hey, my doctor. You became. Ujujuleji. Ujujulu kotokoto. Ujujulu gidi gidi.
Mama, I know whenever you call me like this, you want to beg me for something. If it's about your food, it's still in the pot. Go and take your own.
It's not about food. But it's true, I want to beg you for something.
It's not about my food. Yeah. Well, what is it?
Hey, Ujumam, you know I love you, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you know you're my only daughter.
I know, Mama.
You know I want the best for you. Okay?
I know, Mama.
Okay. Ujumam, please. Give the prince a chance.
Mama, just see this food that I'm just enjoying now. Eh? You just made me lose appetite for it now. Why do you bring up this issue again, Mama? I am not interested. I have told you, I have my fears. Ha!
Is Chief William's daughter. Okay? She will hurt you.
Exactly my point. Exactly, Mama. That Isabella is unpredictable. I don't want any trouble from her. That Isabella, she's unpredictable. She can do the undo, please. I don't want her trouble.
But she will not dare it. She won't dare it. She will not dare to do anything to you. Not after the father signed an undertaking that he will not come an inch close to the palace.
Mama, who told you? How did you know?
I heard he paid through his nose for their freedom.
Then they granted him bail.
Of course. They granted him bail.
Mama, please, I don't want any trouble from that people. I beg. Eh? Just see the way I'm enjoying my food now. You just brought up this topic. Now I've lost appetite. Eh? I'm no longer hungry again. I'm no longer. I've lost my appetite.
Just manage and eat.
I've lost my appetite. Eat.
But the prince loves you so much.
A good child is a blessing to himself and family, but a bad child is a trouble to entire community. Don't be a bad child. Don't be a... Before we learn our lessons, society we're living in is a reflection of the family.
She ought to have been here by now.
Let's be guided.
What is happening?
Say how long? It's gotta be this way now. How long before we learn our lesson? Society we're living in is a reflection of the family. So let's be guided. Be guided. Oh. You see, somebody died today for the mistake of another, and another man is prisoner for the misdeed of another. You think it's about the time we wake up now and look into the family properly.
What is that supposed to mean? I don't understand. Am I not the chief security officer in this palace? Before you go anywhere, before you tamper with this gate, you have to tell me first. Now, where are you going?
Hey. Me, where am I going? What's your business with that?
I have every business with it, because if anything should happen to you outside, it's me the king will come. Before you hear Etonna, why did you ask? No, where are you going?
Take your time in this palace. Etona, take your time. Oh. Open this gate, let me go.
Now you come. You should have told me.
My friend, open the gates.
Who is that? Oh. That friend me went to win. Oh, Ujuma. You are welcome.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon.
Afternoon. Yeah. The prince is in the living room and he has been waiting for you. All right.
Do your job. Do your job. Every life is important now. Every life is important to the society. Oh, society. How long are we gonna be the victim? How long before we learn the lessons? Society we're living in is a reflection of the family. So let's do the right thing. Do the right
Greetings,
thing.
my queen.
Greetings, Obianoju, my beautiful friend. How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
You're welcome.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings to Juma. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm sorry for keeping you. I was preparing food for my mother.
Apology accepted. At least you're here now.
I think you both should go in there and talk.
In?
There's a seat out up there.
Do not be discouraged. Heaven will fight for you. Man will favor you. If it is your throne, yeah, you will sit on it. Time does not matter. The will of man is shaken free. If it is your throne, yeah, you're gonna be king and queen.
Oh, come in, my queen. Come on, sit here. Come on, sit.
Thank you, my prince. I'm fine here.
Ujuma, come on. I am not going to bite you. Okay, I don't eat people. Okay, come and sit by my side.
I'm sorry, my prince. I am not complaining. I'm fine here.
I insist you sit by me. No. I want you to sit by me. Come on.
Don't worry. Let me sit beside you. Now, here is okay for me.
Okay. Fine. I am going to stand, so you sit.
No, please. You don't have to stand, my prince. I'm sorry. I'm not disrespecting you. Or let's just go back.
It's okay. It's okay. You sure you're fine there? You cool? You cool, right?
Yes, I'm fine.
Good. No, just relax. You have a whole seat. Good. Okay. Come on. Ujuma. Ujubeke. You know, I like your fufu, very soft and yeah. You're just so soft, like your fufu. Yeah. Very smooth. But actually, I called you here to talk with you. Okay? Uju, I want you to be my princess, my queen. Please. I want you to make me a happy man. Yeah. You're surprised, right? Come on. Give me a hand. Come on, give me. Bring it. See how soft your hand is. Uju, will you marry me? Uju Beke. Will you marry me? Oh, I love your smiles.
Do not be discouraged. Heaven will fight for you. Man will favor you.
I bless you.
If it is your
Say, evil shall not see you. The wicked ones shall not behold you.
He said,
You shall bear children, both male and female. And your children shall surround your table. Both of you shall rule over this kingdom after I must have joined my ancestors.
He said,
You are favored by the gods. Rise, my children.
my friend, my daughter-in-law.
Welcome to my home.
Come. Congratulations.
Thank you, Mom.
You get to eat good food.
Thank you, Mom.
And live happily ever after.
You're right. My beautiful lady. Let me see those are beautiful hands. Your apple hand.
Yes, my apple hand.
Yeah. Now you're going to be pounding soft fufu for me.
A good child is a blessing to herself and society. A bad child is a
Hey, come back here.
to himself and community.
Where are you coming
Don't
from?
be a bad child. Don't
Listen.
be a burden.
Where are you coming from?
Never will. It never will.
Where are you coming from?
The news is everywhere.
News of what?
The royal family went to pay that Ujunwa's bride price yesterday. Didn't you hear?
Is that the answer to my question? I said, where are you coming from?
Hold up. Didn't you hear what I just said right now?
Shut up and answer my question. Where are you coming from?
I went to see my friends.
You went to see your friends and you are coming by this time of the night.
Yeah.
You are coming back at this time.
I am a big girl. I can take care of myself.
You are going back to the States.
No. I say no, Dad. I am not going back to the States. I just told you the prince got married to that fufu seller and you act like you didn't hear what I said.
They rejected you because of the stubbornness of your mother. You took after her.
I will not take the shit.
You're already taking the shit.
Oh, Dad.
Can't you see that?
No, Dad. The prince is not going to marry that girl. I will not let that happen. It's not going to happen, Dad. The prince is going to be mine.
Married is married.
No,
It's
Daddy,
finished.
I said no to it. He
It's
is going
finished.
to marry me. You know that, Father. You know it. He's going to marry me because he is mine. And there's nothing you can do about it. He's going to marry me, Father. He will marry me. He will come back. You know me, Father. I am going to get my prince back. And there's none stopping me. You
What the heck? Oh, my God is going out! What the heck? What the heck you want? What the heck?
Be a burden, it never pays. Learn the lessons. So how long is it gonna be this way now? How long before we learn our lessons?
You can say that again.
Hey, you don't even know how excited I am this day.
Well, I will be more excited than you. Because I understand more. And you have to know that the gods have won.
I won.
No, the gods won. Not you.
The wheel of man is shake and pray. If it is your throne, you're gonna be king and queen. Nothing gonna stop you. Your happiness must be complete. Oh.
Do you want to fall the gate? No, push it down. Push it down.
Open the door. Don't see him.
Who is that? Who are you? Who is that?
Hey, Tonna! Open the gate!
Eh?
Where is he? Where is he? Alfred, you are an ingrate. You are an ingrate. You are
Point of correction.
Alfred, Alfred, you are an ingrate. I made you the king. You want to bite the finger that fed you.
Williams. Point of correction. Igwe Ngonade.
Alfred, I made you the king. I made you the king. I can dethrone you anytime.
Alfred!
I can.
Listen to me. I am the king of this great kingdom. I am answerable to no one. Now, get out of my palace before I command my palace guards to throw you out.
You heard him.
What did you say?
You heard him.
Isigini. Agama tai attack. Otita kanga tai. You have not had the last of me.
Listen to me if you can. When two palm trees meet, when they stand with each other, confronting each other, their palms, their rafters will meet, then we will know which one is greater. I am, if you must know, the ant that killed the elephant. And if you are not careful, I will turn you to become that housefly that followed the corpse to the grave. Now, get out of my palace.
Then I will tell you that I am Odogwu Abosogo. Odogwu Abosogo. You have not had the last of me. You will see me in Abu Abuna. You will see.
Before my guards throw you out.
The wheel of man is shaken free.
If
it is your throne, yeah.
Get out!
You're gonna be king. Nothing gonna stop
You are not and can never be a threat to the antelope. Nonsense. My husband is alive. He's back on track. Igwe! Agbara ezi owele mgba ọ na-echi.
Hey! Hey! So it is Igwe. Is Igwe what? Is it Alfred Ngonadi that is ranting and foaming as if he's a lion? Hey! Hey!
You are very intelligent and educated. That's why I brought you back, to make you the king of Nzaland. I will do everything possible to get this kingship to Nzaland. And I want it in my community here. And if I bring it to this community, it becomes permanent.
The wheel of man is shaken free. If it is shall drawn, yeah, you're gonna be king and queen. Nothing gonna stop you.
Chief, if you make me the king of this great kingdom, I promise you my allegiance.
You're already the king of Nzaland. I will do everything possible to make you royalty.
And I will be forever indebted to you. Hey.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I am happy you accepted. Thank you. Promise me that as soon as you become the king, your son, Kenechukwu, will marry my daughter, Isabella.
Nothing gonna stop you. Your happiness must be complete.
I promise.
Alfred, we had an agreement. We had an agreement, and you must fulfill your own part of the bargain. Don't take my silence as cowardice. Do not. Alfred.
Remember.
Okay, let's try and sleep. Eh? You know, tomorrow is a big day.
Mama, if you are saying it used to do me somehow, Mama. I cannot sleep.
I understand the feelings. Even me, I'm so happy. Just try and close your eyes. Eh? Close your eyes. You sleep. Let me
manage and see if I can sleep.
Just close your eyes. You won't know when you sleep.
We'll call together, we'll do my makeup.
Hey.
Okay, I called her.
Well.
Mama, let me just... Mama!
Don't move. Don't move!
Mama, be cool. Please, my children. Hey, don't shoot. Don't shoot. Hey, what? No. Don't shoot.
Shut up!